Have you ever wondered what happens if you mix DOT4 and DOT5 brake fluids? It might seem like an easy top-off solution when you are working in the garage. Both fluids are designed to stop your car safely. You might even think the higher number means better performance for your braking system. However, combining these two specific fluids is a massive mistake. The core problem lies in their completely different chemical makeups. DOT4 is a glycol-based fluid, which means it is designed to absorb moisture from the air over time. DOT5 is a silicone-based fluid, which repels water entirely. Because of this fundamental difference, these two liquids will never mix together. They will separate inside your brake lines just like oil and water in a jar. This separation creates a highly dangerous situation for your entire braking system. Any moisture trapped inside the lines will be isolated by the silicone fluid. This moisture forms concentrated pockets of water inside your brake lines. When your brakes heat up, those water pockets will quickly reach their boiling point of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That boiling water turns into steam, causing your brake pedal to go straight to the floor. The damage does not stop at boiling water and a soft brake pedal. The incompatible chemical mixture will attack the rubber components inside your master cylinder and calipers. Your essential O-rings and rubber seals will begin to swell, degrade, and eventually tear apart. This internal destruction leads to massive fluid leaks and a complete loss of braking pressure. If these fluids get mixed, the only solution is a complete and expensive system overhaul. You will have to flush every single inch of the brake lines with denatured alcohol. In most cases, you must also replace the master cylinder, brake hoses, and caliper seals. It turns a cheap fluid top-off into a massive repair bill. Never mix a glycol-based fluid with a silicone-based fluid under any circumstances. Always check your master cylinder cap to see exactly what fluid your vehicle requires. If you want the benefits of a higher boiling point, upgrade to DOT 5.1 instead. It is fully compatible with DOT4 and will keep your braking system functioning exactly as it should.